Hey there everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys the different cashback websites that you guys can use for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I just want to ask if you guys are getting value from my videos, if you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can also see my content, right? So with that being said, these are the different cashback websites that you can use for your Amazon FBA business when you're sourcing for online arbitrage, right, or retail arbitrage. So, um, yeah, the most popular ones I would say are Rakuten, TopCashback.com, Retail Me Not, Be Frugal, Capital One Shopping. So, I usually just pick the ones that give me the highest cashback. So here on Rakuten, right, you can see which how do you how do I remove? Okay, so here in Rakuten, you guys can see different cashback percentages, right? So for example, here this website is giving you 10%. Rack Room Shoes is at 10%. QVC is giving you 10%. Sam's Club 10%, right? And then Macy's 4%, Adidas 6%. So if you guys want to source products from his websites, I would start, with I guess the highest percentages. So Lego is a popular one, right? So I would go to Lego, and then I would do my reverse search starting from Lego here. Yeah. So Lego is a popular brand. So if you guys can see here, right? So up to 10% cashback activated. So meaning you're saving another 10% on cashback because of shopping using Rakuten on Lego.com. Right? So if you guys know, like, 10% on Amazon is a big deal. So I would source products from here, from Lego, and then I would do a reverse search. I'm not going to do it on this video. I'll probably do like a separate video on how to source on Rakuten, but I'll just go through this page like real quick, right? So yeah, Rakuten, you start with the highest cashback, and then you go reverse search. Samsung is also a popular shopping website for arbitrage. So I go to Sam's Club, and then should be activated here shortly. See right there. See up to 10% cashback activated, and then I would look for products here on Sam's Club. Yeah. So yeah, that's Rakuten. Is one of the most popular websites out there for cashback, and then TopCashback.com is also popular. So the concept is very similar to Rakuten, so they give you different percentages on different websites like Target, Chewy, Lowe's, Home Depot. Oh, well, Sam's Club is up to 17% here. See what I mean? So on Rakuten, Sam's Club is giving you 10%, and then here they're giving you 17%. So obviously, I would start here, right, at 17%, and then Top Cashback also gives you cashback websites on Stanley, Staples, PetSmart, Michaels. Yeah, these are all popular retailers that we use for arbitrage. Man, they have a lot of retailers here. So let's go to page 2. Yeah, they have a lot. So I would pick a favorite brand or website that you like. I mean, Corel is a popular one too. I like Corel. Yeah. Next one is Retail Me Not. So it's a very similar concept here too. So I would go under the retailers. So here, Walgreens is giving 20% off, right? So Walgreens is another popular website that we use for arbitrage, for selling on Amazon. I mean, targets at 2%. Office Depot, okay. On qualifying purchases, okay. Man, this one is good. Oh, this one is good because Walgreens is giving 20%, right? So yeah, if you guys want to source on Walgreens, you guys are getting 20% off your purchase, so that's amazing. Let me see, what else do we have here? Popular stores. And then here you can also search using categories. So a popular category with Amazon is beauty, right? So I would click on beauty. And then here you'll see different retailers that sell beauty products. So Sephora is a popular one. Yeah. So that's that. I mean, Be Frugal is also a great cashback website. I'm not logged in right now, but the stores are very similar. So Walgreens, Dick's Sporting Goods, Bed Bath and Beyond, Home Depot, Macy's, Sephora. So these are some Nike, some popular websites, right, that we source from. So on Amazon. So let me see the percentages. So Nike's at 80%. Macy's is at 14%. Yeah, they got a lot of good ones. Ulta is another popular one. And then the next one is Capital One Shopping. So it's very similar to the other websites. They offer cashback on different websites that we use, source on Amazon. So yeah, and if you guys go on Google, man, there's a lot here. Like Honey is one. So TopCashback we already discussed. Let's see. I mean, Penny Hoarder is one right there. Let's real quick. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of cashback websites, right? So here you can even do like compare cashback websites. Yeah, there's just a lot. So just to do a recap, some of the most popular cashback websites are Rakuten, Top Cashback, Be Frugal, Capital One Shopping. So I would pick the ones that you like, right? That you like. And also, if you guys want to go based on percentages, you can, because each website offers different percentages. So yeah, I would pick a brand that you like to source from. So Macy's, click it, source from that website, do your product research, and buy the products. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video. And again, if you guys have that from the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that way, other people can also see my videos. So see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.